If you enjoy this video series, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Welcome to part 2 of our driving a forklift safely. If you operate with the load raised high, you increase the likelihood of the forklift tipping over. The safe height to carry a load is at axle height or as low to the operating surface as possible. There are things that may cause the forklift to tip over sideways. These include turning too fast, turning with the load raised, an uneven surface, or an uneven load. Likewise, driving with a flat tire, driving too fast, side shift not centered, driving on a sloping surface. There are things that may also cause the forklift to tip over forward, including overloading the forklift, load center distance too long, incorrect use of the forward mass tilt especially with the load carried high, or an uneven load. Likewise, driving on an uneven surface, severe braking, load not positioned against the vertical face of the fork arms, and driving on a sloping surface, as well as carrying the load too high, colliding with overhead structures, or driving too fast. When unloading a truck or working on a loading dock, you must ensure to have either a secure dock plate or bridge plate for the forklift to travel safely. To ensure the stability of the load, you must continuously monitor the load whilst traveling. A seatbelt, if fitted, must be worn at all times. This stops the operator from falling out if an accident occurs. If the forklift you are operating begins to tip over, remain on the forklift. Brace yourself until the forklift is stationary. Lean away from the point of impact. When turning a forklift, you must be mindful of rear end swing. The rear end of the forklift turns fast and may hit a person or structure nearby. You must not raise or lower a forklift load near or over a person. The load may crush the person. It is important to park your forklift in a safe location. The following are places within the workplace where you would not park your forklift: near doorways, pedestrian walkways, emergency exits, where it is obstructing other traffic, near firefighting appliances, near first aid stations or emergency showers, on sloping surfaces. The steps that you must follow when safely parking a forklift are: fork arms lowered to the ground. Return the forklift to neutral gear. The park brake is on. You should remove the ignition key to prevent unauthorized use. Ready to book your forklift course? Scan the QR code on screen to book for your nearest AFT location.